Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and unplug, then remove the GPU so you can work cleanly. Once done, ground yourself and open the bracket screws. Label each screw for reassembly. Inspect the fan while holding the rotor. Note wobble direction and shaft play, because that determines if you need cleaning, lubrication, or replacement. Use a small brush and 90% isopropyl to remove dust from blades and the hub. Make sure to keep dust from falling into heatsink fins as you work. Next, disassemble the fan carefully. Remove shroud screws and retain every small part in order. Once you lift the rotor, examine the bearing. Sleeve bearings look like a plain shaft. Ball bearings have visible races. That distinction tells you whether lubrication will help. If it's serviceable, apply a tiny drop of light machine oil or specialized fan lube to the shaft. Rotate to distribute. If there's play or grinding, replace the fan assembly. Also check blade balance and straighten any bent blades before reassembly. Reassemble the fan and shroud, making sure each screw goes back to its original hole and is snug but not over-tightened. Reinstall the GPU into the PCIe slot, reconnect all power, and boot. Watch the fan at idle, then under load to confirm wobble gone. If vibration or noise returns, double-check mounting points and heatsink contact. Loose screws can mimic a bad fan. As a final troubleshooting tip, if lubrication and mounting checks fail, replace the fan or contact manufacturer warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.